Hello and welcome everyone to the course that is Hands-on Deep Q Learning. I am super excited to have you here and hopefully we are going to have a fantastic journey together. So without further ado, let's get started. In this tutorial, I am going to introduce myself quickly and give you an outline of the course. My name is Kaisar Rabbi and I am currently doing my Masters in Data and Knowledge Engineering at Otto University. I'm super excited about artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning and have 4 years of experience in teaching data science and AI. The course overview. In the first section, that is getting started with reinforcement learning intuition, first we discuss about artificial intelligence in a nutshell. Then we talk about reinforcement learning dynamics. After that, we'll know about the Bellman equation. Then we try to understand Markov decision process. And finally, we'll discuss about policy versus plan and leaving penalty. Then in the second section, that is fundamentals of deep Q learning intuition. First, we know the intuition behind Q learning. Then we will talk about temporal difference. After that, we talk about the learning phase of deep Q learning. And then we talk about the acting phase of deep Q learning. And finally, we try to understand experience replay and action selection policies. In the third section, that is build self-driving car with deep Q learning, first we install PyTorch environment and then we are going to create the first project of this course, that is self-driving car application with deep Q learning, and we are going to implement this in 3 parts. And finally, in the last lecture, we are going to play with our self-driving car AI. In section 4, that is deep convolutional Q learning intuition, first we try to understand what is convolutional neural network. Then we discuss about deep convolutional Q learning. And finally, we try to understand eligibility trace. And in the 5th and final section of this course, that is create an AI with deep convolutional Q learning. First, we install OpenAI Gym. And then we are going to build an AI for an old classic game, that is Doom. And we are going to implement this AI in 3 parts. And finally, in the last lecture, we are going to play with our AI in the Doom environment. Target audience. This course is designed for data analyst, aspiring data scientist, machine learning enthusiast, reinforcement learning enthusiast, and of course, artificial intelligence enthusiast. Software and hardware requirement. For this course, we are going to use Anaconda distribution and our IDE of choice is Spider. And we will show you how to install all these environments in Windows, macOS and Linux operating system. Course goal. After completing this course, you will have a solid understanding about deep Q learning. You will have hands-on experience with Facebook's PyTorch framework, which is very famous for handling dynamic graph. And you will get a step-by-step guideline to build an intelligent agent. I am super excited about this course. And I look forward to see you in the first lecture, that is artificial intelligence in a nutshell. I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, enjoy deep Q learning.